Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to set up the Face ID with a mask on your iPhone 17. At first, to set up Face ID you have to take off the mask. So at first open the settings. Here scroll down to the Face ID and passcode over here, and now let me enter my passcode. Here, as you can see, we do have Face ID with a mask checked, but at first tap Reset Face ID, and here tap Set Up Face ID back again. Tap Get Started, and position your face within the frame. Just a normal Face ID. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Up and just circle, like normal in a normal Face ID process. Now, here as you can see, to have Use Face ID with a mask. Here, tap Use Face ID with a mask. Position your face within the frame. And, wait a moment, I will show you this somehow. Move your iPhone a little lower. Here. Now, move your head slowly to complete the circle. Here, what I do recommend doing is to have your mask just on your face. And now here, as you can see, you have the two Face ID scans of your face. The first one was with the was just a general Face ID. The second one was, as you could see, closer to your phone to have everything well done. As you could see, I didn't have a mask on my face, but during the second scan, it's recommended to have it. Apart from that, here, as you can see, you can add glasses. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.